Good morning from absolutely beautiful Deerfield Beach this morning. After some earlier showers, it couldn't be a nicer day. Tide is out. I'm on the private part of the beach, which I love. And let's see if I can show you. You can kind of see in the distance, there's a young couple getting married today, getting their pictures taken on the beach. Perfect. And what I want to say is, no matter what's going on with you, there's something about the waves and the water that can wipe away any grief or sadness or worries. So come down to the beach when you can. The water's fine.